In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps not downloading on Google Play Store. So I want to go to Play Store, just load up the McDonald's app here, and you hit install, and it just says pending. You can wait for days, it's not going to change. You can cancel it, try again. It's just going to say pending no matter what you try. To fix this, leave the Play Store app, find it again wherever you have it stored, and then long press on it or tap and hold and go to app info, which is an eye with a circle around it. Then you scroll down to storage, tap on that. Now all this info here, even if you go back, all this here is just regarding the Play Store app. You're not going to mess up any settings or lose anything by doing this. We go back to storage. And down here in the bottom you can see clear cache or clear data. You want to hit clear data, tap OK, and then go back to the Play Store. As you can see, my search is gone, and my search history is also gone. This is a result of clearing the data, but all my apps are still on my phone. My app library is still on Play Store. My payment methods, nothing is changed except for my search is gone, and my search history is gone. So let's just look up that McDonald's app again just to be consistent. If this is ever gonna load here. Come on, there you go. And then here's that same app. You want to hit install again, and this works 100% of the time. I've never had this method fail on me. This is showing pending for a while because my internet is a bit slow, but it is eventually going to start downloading. Okay, there it goes. If you like videos like this and you want to learn more, consider subscribing to the channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next